Pro-15, separation confirmed. Pico-1B, separation confirmed. Satellite-1, separation confirmed. Lemu NGE, separation confirmed. Satellite-3, separation confirmed. COPS PTD-4, separation confirmed. GNOMES-5, separation confirmed. Arctic Weather Satellite, separation confirmed. ISI-1, separation confirmed. ISI-2, separation confirmed. Umbra-10, separation confirmed. ISI-3, separation confirmed. ION SCV Magnificent Monica, separation confirmed. Hawk 10B, separation confirmed. Umbra 9, separation confirmed. ISI-4, separation confirmed.
So the small lull here that we're hearing from the ground team is expected from a loss of signal with the stage. We have ground stations that we use to track the second stage during the deployment events, and we have a brief outage here. But the vehicle still continues to attempt payload deployments even during these LOS periods. And once we get ground station coverage back, we'll hear from the ground teams the status of the payloads that are intended to deploy during this period. And if you're just joining us, we are in the middle of our second set of payload deployments on the Transporter-11 mission. It's been a fairly successful mission so far. We had an on-time liftoff around 11:56 a.m. Pacific time. Nominal ascent on the first stage and second stage. First stage was successfully recovered with a land landing near the launch pad at Vandenberg Space Force Base, landing for its 12th time. The second stage went on to perform 4 Merlin vacuum burns, first 2 of those getting into the first set of payload deployment orbits, where we deployed the first block of payloads flying on today's mission. And now we are in the second payload orbit in the middle of our second set of deployments, just in a brief loss of signal period.
Hawk 10A, separation confirmed. QPS SAR-8, Amateru 4, separation confirmed. Hawk 10C, separation confirmed. Bro 14, separation confirmed.
We have a few different ways of identifying if the payloads have separated from Falcon. The first of those are electrical signals from the payloads that the ground team is looking for. As we get telemetry, as we see those electrical signals transition, then we understand if the payload is still attached to Falcon or not. We can also get visual confirmations when we have camera footage from those cameras that we are viewing at the top of the stage. And we can also get creative and use the acceleration signatures on the stage to understand if payloads have been deployed. So the ground teams are looking at all of this information, trying to understand if all the payloads have deployed when they make those calls throughout the deployment sequence.
Capella, separation confirmed. All payloads successfully separated.
And with that, that brings us to the end of our deployment sequence and successful confirmation that all payloads on today's mission have deployed. Today's mission marked SpaceX's 375th overall mission to date and our 80th mission of this year. So we want to thank all of our rideshare customers for their support on today's mission, of course, our viewers for joining us today, and we want to thank the Range and the Federal Aviation Administration for supporting today's mission. Now, if you're interested, a full listing of today's payloads can be found at spacex.com/launches. And if you're interested in future launch coverage, be sure to check that same page for the most up-to-date information. Thank you, and we'll see you for the next launch. /launches. And if you're interested in future launch coverage, be sure to check that same page for the most up-to-date information.